Have a Husqvarna YTH2348 that is having transmission problems. Does not want to go into reverse and when going forward has a jerk to it. Have replaced the belt.
Hello. In that I may be able to help. Are you near the tractor? I need you to check something on it / Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. If you can check the rear of the mower, where the transaxle bolts on. There are 2 bolts on each side. Just above that the frame turns out to give a mounting spot. Make sure the frame isn't torn out at those 2 places.
Without tearing into the tractor I could not see that situation, but your idea makes sense. When I rock the tractor back and forth the trans moves with the back wheels. Any diagram to make job easier?
I'll find a diagram for you. I see this a few times a year with the Husqvarnas. I'll get a picture.
Thanks a lot.
Look at the rear of the frame where the rectangle mounting flange is. This is where they tear. http://c.searsparts.direct.com/lease_png/P11DM/1103170P00003.png.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.